are you all?
Fine, sir.
Are you all excited?
Yes, sir.
So today is a kind of motivational session, or the topic that you have been given, that is money. The topic name is the power of money.
Money.
As we know that money plays an immense role in the career or progress of the person. Whatever we want in our life, so money plays very important role, very vital role, right? Like if we want to get better job in MNC company, if we talk about education, in education also money plays very immense role. Or if we talk about anything, if we talk about career, from career to relationship, either we talk about relationship, either we or we talk about education, or we talk about personal problems in our life. There's lots of problems are there, they are just getting begotten in our life. So in every situation, money plays very important role, very vital role. So today, all we are just gonna discuss, all things that they are just gonna be discussed about, they are just gonna be discussed or gonna be expounded the things about money. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want better life, then you need
Money.
money. I'm not getting your voice.
Money.
If we want better life, then what do we need?
Money.
Yeah. If we want, like, if any problem is just getting begotten in our life, so for solving that problem, what do we need?
Money.
Money. Or for making good nexus with our relatives as well. If we talk about our relatives, sometimes scrabble is just gonna take place. Fight is just gonna take place just because of money.
Money.
Some people become greedy, avaricious, so that's why sometimes in relationship most of the people enter and they just expect money from others, one to another, and that's why fight happens. So today all we are just gonna talk about money. So first of all, I wanna hear from your side who wants to come here for speaking something about money. Raise your hand and I will simply invite the person. Okay. So, are you not ready to raise your hand? Are you comfortable? Okay. 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 Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So, okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's give an energetic, warm welcome to the one and only सरवन के साथ में बैठे निगम के लिए आ जाओ. But one thing I would want to add, speak
Yes,
in
sir.
that way that you are a great speaker, great orator. You have attended so many sessions here in previous classes, but I want in today's class you have to speak in such a way that you are a great speaker, great orator. Is that clear?
Clear.
Clear. ये नहीं है कि fish market बना रहे हो यहाँ पर.
नहीं,
ठीक है?
fish market
You
मत.
have to make this place a fish market. Yeah. एंड माइक पकड़ने का स्टाइल जैसे एक स्पीकर पकड़ता है, हर एक चीज नोटिस करनी है. ये नहीं सिर्फ बोलते ही चले जा रहे हो, वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं पहले बता रहा हूँ क्लियर. माइक कैसे पकड़ना है, कैसे वॉक करना है, कैसे टॉक करना है, आई कांटेक्ट कैसे करना है, कब आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो, कब क्वेश्चनिंग कर रहे हो, कैसे एंडिंग कर रहे हो, ये सारी चीजें आपको अपने अंदर लेकर के आनी हो. देन ट्राई करो. स्टार्ट.
So hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you all?
Fine.
I'm not getting your voice. How are you all, everybody?
Fine.
That's great. This is me, Nigam, in front of you all. First of all, I would like to thanks to my both sir, Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir for having me this golden opportunities. As well as I would like to thanks all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience, all the companions who all are present over here. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for present here. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are having wonderful and fantabulous and marvelous topic. And our fantabulous and marvelous topic name is the power of money. Ladies and gentlemen, in this generation, there is only one thing, that is money. And money is most important, money is vital, money is essential, money is necessary, money is indispensable in whole life. Because money is there, so we are able to stand here because of the money. We are learning English. I am able to speak English. Why? Because of the money. Because I'm like giving face to my sir, then sir is teaching me, then I'm able to speak English because of the money. Ladies and gentlemen, am I saying right or wrong?
Right.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, in this generation, money is there, so we are here. Money is there, we are eating, we are sleeping, like we are living on the rent because of the money. We are giving rent to them, then they are letting us to live. If we will not, rent them, so they will not let us leave. They will say, just get out from here. We don't have money. Money is most important. Money is vital. Money can change your life. Money can change your future. Money can change your career as well as whatever you want to become. So many people are there. We all are. You are here. She is there. He is there. Every person is here. They all are sitting here. Why? Because they have money. They are coming here for learning English. Then they are paying fees. Then they are coming here. Then they are sitting here because of the money, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody, because of the money, we can become so many things. You want to become a doctor. You want to become an engineer. You want to become IPS. You want to become IS. Because of the money. You have money, so you are dhani. You have money, so you are everything. Otherwise, you don't have money, so you are nothing in front of the people. Any people will not respect you. Any people will not talk to you because you don't have money. You are very poor. You are very impactless. At that time, people would not like to talk to you. People would not love to talk to you. People would not prefer to talk to you because you don't have money. At that time, ladies and gentlemen, I think money is most important. And money says, today you will save me. In your upcoming generation, money will save your life. When? Because you have money. That's why. If you are thinking, if you have money, so you can save your life. You can save your life. Sir is here because of the money. Sir is teaching us because of the money. Because sir spends a lot of money on their education. That's why today sir is teaching us in the good way, in the better way, in the proper way. Because of the money, sir is standing here. Sir is looking so smart and handsome because of the money. And sir, sir ties also, sir has wear the coat pant because of the money. Sir is looking so smart. Why? Because of the money. We all are here. We all are eating food. We all are able to feed our stomach. Why? Because of the money, ladies and gentlemen. We have money, so we are doing so many things. Whatever we are achieving, whatever we are, we are able to achieve our goal because of the money. We want to become doctor. First of all, we need to educate ourselves. First of all, we need to get the knowledge. When we will get knowledge? When we have money. If money is not there, anyone would not like to teach you. Anyone will not teach you, so you will become uneducated. You have money, so you can become more talent. You can become, more intelligent. You can become more brilliant person in your life if you have money. Ladies and gentlemen, just think that you are ill, you are sick, you are unwell, your health is not good. At that time, you can make your health good. You can go to your doctor. You can take advice from your doctor. At that time, you can health को अच्छी कर सकते हो.
You can make your health better.
You can make your health better with the help of money. Because we have money, so we are going to hospital, then we are just, spending a lot of money, and then we are able to live.
Be as fit as a fiddle just because of money.
Like just because of money, people are fit as a fiddle. People are fit as a fiddle. People are mentally fit. People are physically fit. People are healthy. Why? Because of the money. People are eating food. People are living on their house. People are just paying tuition fees. People are just paying school fees because they have money. And money is most important for education line. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to educate yourself in the good way, in the better way, in the proper way, so you should have money. You have money, so you can educate yourself in the good way. You can educate yourself in the better way. You can educate yourself in the proper way. You can achieve your goal. You want to become a doctor. You want to become an engineer. You want to become an IS. You want to become an IPS. What do you need? Everybody tell me. What do you need?
Money.
What do you need, everybody?
Money.
Money is most important. Ladies and gentlemen, for if you don't have money, people will not let you stand in front of their house. You don't have money. Ask from me. I don't have money, ladies and gentlemen. A person who is very rich persons are not willing to talk to me. They are thinking that he is very poor. You don't have money, they will not call you. They will not invite you in their wedding. Ask from renters. So many renters, tenants are there. They don't have money. Landlord are not inviting them in their wedding. They are thinking that he is very poor. I will call him in my wedding, so he will just insult me. That's why they are not calling us in their wedding also. They are thinking that he is very poor. You know, if you are very poor, anyone will not like to talk to you. Anyone will not invite you in their wedding, in their birthdays party, in their any program. They will not call you. They will not invite you because you don't have money. And people will just insult you. People will disrespect you. People will humiliate you because you are very poor person. People will say you a poor man, a illiterate man, a uneducated man. Get off from here when you don't have money. So I think money is everything. Education is nothing in front of money, and parents are also nothing in front of money because education is there. So we are able to educate ourselves with the help of money. And parents is there because parents has money. That's why parents are giving us food. Parents are giving us so many things because of the money. Because parents have money, that's why they are also running house because of the money. If they don't have also anything, our parents has not money, so they are also nothing. So everybody, what most important? Money is most important. Thank you so much. You have been the great spectators and audience of the day.
As far as I have been able to observe the way he spoke, it was nice, but he gave this message to the audience, to the spectators, that money is most important, not education. Let's see who is just gonna challenge him, who is just gonna come here and gonna speak something on the power of money. And I want guys you to speak in that way, in style, whatever you wanna do, you can do here. Is that clear? In a style, you have to speak like a motivational speaker. You have to perform like that. Just be a dynamic, artistic, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious speaker. Speak in that way. Is that clear? Yeah. So who wants to come next? You want to come? You sit on his chair. Yeah. So let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Sarwan के सामने जो बैठी है पीछे सानिया के लिए जोरदार ताली.
Bhaiya was excited.
She's so excited to see.
Please carry the mic.
Okay. Sania, you have to speak in that way so that people are just gonna be flabbergasted, right? Yes.
Okay. So hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you all?
Fine.
That's great. So firstly, I would like to give my small intro. So hello all my standing, marvelous, tremendous, amazing, as well as those who are having type of personality. And I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So today I'm so excited, so I'm feeling so happy over the moon because today's class is so outstanding class. There is the topic that we are gonna speak on that, the power of money. So I'm gonna tell you that what is the importance of money in our life and what is the power of money. Means if we are having money, so what can we do and what can we change in our life? So I'm gonna tell you. So there is one thing that can change our life. That can कहते हैं ना कि आसमान से जमीन तक ला सकता है, जमीन से आसमान. There is one thing that can let you go on a sky and that can turn you into the land. So there is one thing that can change your life, that can break your also life if you will use in a bad way. So there is one thing that is money. Yeah, that is money that is very essential in our life, very vital and very important in our life, that can change your life and that can also break your life if you will use in a bad way. So I am going to tell you, what is power of money. If we are having money, so everyone, they will give you respect, they will give you attention, they will give you love. If you have money. If you don't have money, no one give you respect, no one give you love, no one give you attention. If we know the real value of money, see the Ambani. We all are having a life, but what is the difference between us and Ambani? What is the difference between a rich man, a poor person? They have respect. A poor person, they don't have. Because everyone thinks they don't have money, they don't give respect, they don't give love. But if we talk about Ambani, we all know, I know, of course, everyone, we know that American K-pop star, a singer, a dancer, who said in her interview that no one has, किसके पास औकात नहीं मुझे बुलाने, no one having this, but the Ambani, who they call that singer, the K-pop singer, in his son weddings. This is the power of money. This is the reality of money. If we are talking about the power of money, so this is the power of money. And you know, like if we, like many people, they like you know who said like पैसा तो हाथ का मैल होता है. पता है कौन कहते हैं? Who don't have money, who don't know the value of money. Who said this lie? But ask that person who made the like पैसे से जो पैसा बनाता है, कमाता नहीं, वो पैसा बनाता है. और उससे पूछो the value of money, who they will tell you. You know, if you want to know the value of money, go any rich person and ask for money. उसकी आंखों में हाँ बोलने से पहले उसकी आंखों में ना दिख जाएगा. This is the reality of money. This is the power of money. And if you know, it's a reality of the world. If you want to be anything in our life, everyone says by the hard work, by our hard work we can become. It's true. By our hard work and smart work we can become. But in this generation, if we don't have money, कितना भी हम hard work कर ले, we can't achieve anything. You know, if you talk about hard working is important, I know it's important, but without money, हम hard work कितना भी कर ले, पीछे ही रह जाते हैं. But if we have money ना, in blink of an eye, we can हम किसी को भी खरीद सकते हैं. And किसी को यहाँ खड़े करे बेच भी सकते हैं. If we have money, this is the power of money. You know, if someone says to you that you know what is money, if someone says like you know first I give priority to the love. What is love? In this generation, प्यार तो कुछ नहीं है भाई. प्यार, if we talk about love, there is nothing. पैसे के सामने, like in front of money, there is nothing. The loyalty, the respect, the love, there is nothing without money. If we have money, now we can achieve anything. We can achieve anything. We can get anything. If we want a true love, ना इस जनरेशन में क्या होता है कि सबको ट्रू लव चाहिए. 99% में 1% होगा जो आपको सच्चा प्यार करने वाला मिल जाएगा. बट प्यार से तो हम पेट नहीं पाल सकते ना. ये सही बात है. With the love, we can't feed our stomach, right? If we have money, we can feed our stomach. We like you know, we said many people in this generation, like 1% I said 1% is there. There is the true love. They love you, they support you in any situation. But 99% they are running behind the money because money is important, essential and vital. That is, and if we talk many people, you know what said many अपने you know, if we have money, so if we wanna get respect and love, क्या होता है सामने हम किसी से रिस्पेक्ट होते क्या बोलते कि ना इसके पास पैसा तो वो सामने बस दिखावे के लिए देता है रिस्पेक्ट. सबको यही बोलता है ना कि पैसा होता तो दिखावे के लिए हमें रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है, इज्जत तो दिखावे के लिए करते. अरे यहाँ पे तो जो राजा है ना उसको भी पीछे में लोग गालियां देते हैं, बट सामने तो रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं ना. पैसा है तो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू दे आर गिविंग यू रिस्पेक्ट, दे आर गिविंग यू वैल्यू, दे आर गिविंग यू इट्स वेरी वेरी important because you know in everywhere you go you will get a attention because of money. If you don't have money, you know what people will say? Who are you? But if you have money, people will say, people will love to talk to you. बात करना पसंद करें वो तुमसे, time spend करना पसंद करेंगे. People will love to spend time with you if you have money. And you know कहते हैं ना सर की शायरी है, बट मैं फिर से बोलना चाहूंगी, इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, कोई ढंग नहीं. इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, कोई ढंग नहीं. अगर जेब में है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, वरना कोई संग नहीं. This is the reality. This was spoken by my outstanding sir, but I love to say because I know what is the reality of money, what is the power of money in this generation. So this was my message that I wanna say you and that I wanna tell you, and I would like to say you don't spend money in frivolous thing. पैसे से पैसा जितना हो सके बनाओ, बिजनेस करो, earn money, earn respect. कहते हैं पैसा कमाओगे तो सब कुछ है तुम्हारे पास, वरना कुछ नहीं है. So that's it. This was, and you are the great audience of the day. Thank you so much.
Nice. It was nice. The another person who wants to come here. Oh, are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir. I'm so excited.
Okay. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only सर बन के लिए जोरदार ताली.
Very So first of all, guys, if you want to make a general malus and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious as well as my Sarvasan Mansa who gave this global standard. So my name is Sarvan Soda Fantabulous Marvelous and Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Topic has been given by Suraj sir, and the topic name is for the power of money. The power of money. So like, I'm not having one as Nigam has come here, Sanyas came and they put all the point about the money, that what is money. You know, if you will talk about the money, if you will see about the, if you will take the paper and see about the money, but is this? It is only a piece of paper. It is only a piece of paper with it is made of cotton and nothing. But when it is in your pocket, everyone will give you respect. When it is in your pocket, you will be having love. When it is in your pocket, everyone will be you. Everyone will be with you. If this is in your pocket, you are having so many friends. It is true or not? Money can make your friends. Money can make your love. Money can make your respect. Money can make your value. Money can do everything in your life. Money can change your life entirely. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter before you are not having money, how much respect you are having, how much value you are having. You know, one time the parents said to children, parents said to the son that means you are the burden on this world. You are not earning money. Why? Just because of money. Why? Just because of piece of the paper. Why? Just because you are not having money, you are not earning, and you are not earning. You know, I want to say something. You know, your father is earning today. For means your father is earning today for you, for your future, that in your future you can earn. आज तुम्हारा पापा तुम्हारे लिए कमा रहा है ताकि तुम फ्यूचर में कमाओ. Your father is earning now because you are like he wants to see you in your future to earning. So all the things come to which thing? That is money. You're spending your time. You know, according to me, in this generation, in this era, in this modern generation, everything depends on money. Everything is interdependent on money. You want to take bath, you want the soaps and shampoos, वगैरह. How you will get that all things by money? From your basic needs to your life of those whole needs which is important to your life. You need the money for your health, for your career, for yourself, for your personality, everything. For everything you need what? Only what you need what? Only the money. But you know, one thing I have also said, थोड़ा negative बोल सकता हूँ क्या? मन कर रहा है मेरा negative से positive बोला, positive बच रहा है. ठीक है. Negative बोलो ना थोड़ा सा. You know, in other side I want to say something. You know, money is not everything. In other side, money is everything, but in other side, money is nothing. You know, in one side, money is everything, and in other side, money is nothing. You know, so you know what about thing? Our life. We can talk about the life lessons. There are so many life lessons are there. The experience is there. We didn't get this all things by the money. The love of our parents. We didn't get the love of parents with the money. If if your parents are having money or not, they will love. Suppose if your parents, थोड़े तो ना पापा के पास पैसा है तभी तुमको बचाएंगे, तुम्हारी मम्मी के पास पैसा है तुम किसी मुसीबत तभी तुमको बचाएंगे. No, they love you. That's why they are saving you. The experience. थोड़े पर पैसा है, जिसके पास पैसा है उसी के पास experience है, जिसके पास पैसा नहीं है उसके पास experience है. No, who's not like both experiences equal. And in the eyes of God, everybody is everyone is equal.
Seriously, but experienced person को hire कर सकते हो.
Wow.
That's
You are saying right, but I am saying you can't buy the experience. Experience life को invest करने से मिलती है एक अच्छी चीजों पे. You know, if you are spending something, if you are spending, you're getting paid. अब इसमें ये तो बढ़ना पैसा है, तुम फिर वो है ये है वो फलाना. No, it doesn't matter. It means everything is not depend on money. You know, if I will tell everything, if I will take तो संत महात्मा वाली मैं बात करूँ, everything is infatuation. सब मोह है.
one day like तुम क्या लाए थे and क्या लेके जाओगे according to me.
बट अभी तक जिंदगी जी रहे तो जिंदगी जीने के लिए भी पैसा चाहिए, अगर पैसा नहीं तो कुछ जीना ही नहीं।
You know,
पैसा है ना तो इंसान एक बार मरता है,
You know, sir-
पैसा नहीं होता ना तो बार बार मरता है।
you know, sir, if
घर के ताने, दोस्तों के ताने, फैमिलीज की प्रॉब्लम्स, बार बार मरता है इंसान, पैसा नहीं होता।
पैसा नहीं है, कोई पूछे नहीं तो
you know, sir, if you are having, if you sir, I know everything is interdependent, sir. If you are having money, it is good. If you are not having money, it is also good. You just try to do something in your life. Everything doesn't come to, everything doesn't come to. अरे सर, अरे पूछो क्वेश्चन पूछो, पैसे को ले कर रहे हैं। Why you want to earn money?
चंदन भी लगाए पैसे से है ना।
Why you want to live your life? Why you want to live your life in a good way?
Because everybody wants
For our heart.
You know, sir, हर कोई चाहता है। चलिए सर, you know, sir, हर
हम खुद को अपने आप को खुश रख सकते हैं, हम अपने आप से सेटिस्फाई कि हाँ खुदाई में कुछ तो कर रहे हैं।
you know,
हर कोई एक जैसा जीने लग जाएगा तो क्या ही लाइफ है, कुछ तो अलग होना चाहिए। अगर हम अंबानी की बात करें उनकी तरह तो हर कोई नहीं बन सकता ना, उसके पास पैसा वो उस चीज का दिखाएगा।
you know what? You know. मेरे को बोलने दो, You know that. Shut up, sister. What I am speaking is let me speak. You know, I am saying about infatuation. You know, ever you read the Quran? Ever you read the Quran? What is written in Quran? Just tell me. If you have read, I मैंने पूरी बुक पढ़ी यार, मैंने गीता पढ़ी, कुरान पढ़ी, बाइबल पढ़ी है. Just tell me what is
मैंने
written.
उर्दू में पढ़ी है तो उसका मीनिंग अरबी में होता है, मैंने अरबी नहीं पढ़ी।
Like she said, उसने नहीं पढ़ी, अभी बोली थी मैंने पढ़ी है. You know.
उर्दू उर्दू में मैंने लिखना पड़ेगा, उर्दू है अरबी।
But tell me, what is the meaning of that thing? You means only read it.
उर्दू मीन्स आप कोई कलमा होता है उसको याद करना, तो वो मैंने याद किया, वो पढ़ो तो मैं सुना।
थोड़ी देर.
उसका जो मीनिंग होता है वो अरबी में होता है, जो कि अरबी
Clap everybody, clap.
मैं सर एक लास्ट और पॉइंट बोल रहा था, प्लीज सर, मन कर रहा है मेरा पता नहीं डिबेट करने का. You know what is written in Quran, what is written in Gita, what is written in Bible. Everything is infatuation. Just do your deeds. Everything is infatuation, and everything is infatuation in your life. Just do your deeds. And just do your deeds means सिर्फ कर्म करो, कर्म पे ध्यान लगाओ, फल की चिंता मत करो. One day you will get that. You know sir, about this in today's generation, everyone is only finding money, and for finding money they are doing crimes, they are doing everything. But what I am saying, just do your deeds. सिर्फ कर्म लगाओ, कर्म करो, तुमको फल अपना मिल जाएगा. You know what? Just do the right works according to me.
Which one?
माना कि राइट वर्क करे ये अच्छा है हमारे लिए, बट इस जनरेशन में जो इंसान सीधे से चल रहा है कौन उसको जीने दे रहा है? मुझे बता दो, दिखा दो. जो इंसान अगर कोई गलती नहीं करता, उसको एक बार झूठ नहीं बोलेगा, कुछ करने के उसको कौन जीने दे रहा है? दुनिया नहीं जीने दे रही उसको.
सर मैं ऐसे बाद में बोलूंगा.
आप बोल रहे हैं इफ यू आर मोह माया की बात करो तो मोह माया लेके बैठ जाएंगे, जिंदगी नहीं जीने देगा, पहले ही मर जाएंगे. बट यू आर सेइंग मोह माया.
और आजकल कहते हैं, एक बात बोली जाती है, जो कील सीधी होती है उसे ठोक दिया जाता है, जो टेढ़ी होती है उसे छोड़ दिया जाता है. सीधी की बात करें, ये सच में.
उसको
Something one example. If one policeman come in their car, इधर आए, वो रिश्वत ले ले, वो अच्छा कर रहे हैं, वो गलत काम करने वालों को रोक रहे हैं, he stop them, तो वो दुश्मन बन जाते हैं क्योंकि तुम अच्छे हो. अच्छे इंसान के दुश्मन बन जाते हो. तुम उतना कमाओगे भी नहीं, फिर भी तुम ईमानदार चलना चाहते हो, इस दुनिया में जी नहीं सकते. तुम्हारे बच्चों को अच्छा कपड़े नहीं पहना सकते.
You know, sir, I want to say that, you know, it is my perspective, and I don't know about the, I don't care. I don't care about anyone. My, you know, sir, my